crabs are really fast. So we burn a bunch of calories, run around the beach, chasing that crab. It is a killer. It
Huh?
sucks the strength
How you
of
feeling
life
for?
right out of you.
Cause you snoring so loud.
Tired.
I know.
Call J.O.B.
It's what's for dinner.
Huh?
That is epic.
This is what I do.
That right now,
That's what she does.
that's gonna be amazing.
Yeah.
Crab on the barbie. This will be really good. I've exerted a lot of energy today.
Really crunchy.
Tiny and delicious.
Look at that crab meat on there.